Whoa, this is the hybrid zoom that I saw on the back. This is going on forever. My name is Quintin Baker. I'm a movie director and producer in Amsterdam. This is the OPPO Find X2 Pro. Very excited by this box. Let's get the phone out. It says 5G. It's ready for the future. I'm really curious about the three cameras. Really looks like a zoom lens. This really looks like a wider lens. Here's the charging cable as well. Super VOOC. This one is gonna charge it pretty fast. Can't wait to use this. When I go for location visits, I can document anything. I can even shoot like a whole subject, and later in the editing process, I will find out how I want to frame it. It works to really get the client there where you want them to be, and that you really show them what you want to achieve with the movie. This camera is working really well for me. It has the night mode, it's ultra wide, anti-shake. The microphone is working really well with the 3D sound. This is a big luxury for me. I got the full package in there.